So I'm going to show how I do hard-boiled eggs in the Instapot. I'm going to start a series on my channel of recipes in the Instapot because I have been enjoying this. This is my main source of cooking because my oven I need to rewire still, so it's not put up and I don't want to go downstairs. So every Instapot comes with one of these, different kind, depending on your style. This is the one I have. So it's easy enough, you just stick the eggs in there. I think I'm gonna do 4. See, I thought I'd do this video because Easter's on Sunday and people are doing eggs, hard-boiled eggs. I want deviled eggs. I'm not doing hard-boiled eggs for the kiddos because honestly, last year Ben didn't really care, and he's still kind of similar type of. We'll get him something Easter-wise, but other than that, I don't think we'll do eggs because he doesn't like eating eggs, so I'm not gonna make a bunch of eggs for him not to eat. So these, I put about that much. You could put a cup to a cup and a half of water, and then depending on the model you have, I have a 6-quart. I always have trouble with this. Now I'm going to put it on steam for 6 minutes. And then, alright, so it's time. Just waited for 8 minutes. Pressure's out. No. Looks like one of my eggs cracked. That doesn't normally happen. I'm putting the eggs in here. I don't have ice water, so I just have cold water. Turn the machine off, and my eggs get a little chilled. Since they've been sitting a bit, they're not too hot. Alright.